Mahanadi is an important river of Chhattisgarh and Odisha state. The Sanskrit words Maha and Nadi give rise to the name of Mahanadi River. The ancient name of the Mahanadi River was Konakanandini. The Mahanadi, the biggest river in east central India, length is 858 km. Source Shivhawa Mountains in Chhattisgarh. The basin size is 1,41,600 km square. The major tributaries of Mahanadi are Sonath, Jong, Hasdo, Mand, Eve, Ong, Tel. Mahanadi. The Hirakud dam built on Mahanadi is one of the longest earthen dam of Asia. The delta built by the rivers Mahanadi and Bhamani is one of the largest of India. This delta is one of the largest mangrove forests in Peninsular India.